What's up, guys? It's your boy AdFedEasy. What's going on? Today on this beautiful Sunday, we're going to be replacing the wiper blades on my Dodge Challenger SRT. Alright guys, so no tools needed to replace the wiper blades on our Dodge Challenger. Should be the same process for Dodge Chargers and 300s. So our Mopars will need two 22-inch wiper blades. We have the simple J-hook style wiper arms, so it's going to be a nice and easy process. So we'll start by lifting up the wiper arm in the upright position. Then after that, we will rotate the wiper blade outwards to access the plastic locking tab. Now it's going to be hard to see, but it's a small, tiny little tab. Next, we'll depress the locking tab and pull downward towards the Mopar. Now that we got the first one out, let's go ahead and repeat the process on the other side. Let's go ahead and rotate the wiper blade again, depress the locking tab, and pull downwards towards the Mopar. Nice and easy. Now at this point, with everything up in the air and everything out of the way, let's go ahead and clean the windshield so we have a nice clean base. Let's get all that dirt and grime off and make sure that the rubber blades sit on a nice clean surface. Now let's go ahead and grab the new wiper blades and let's go ahead and inspect it to visualize where the J-hook wiper arms would actually sit. For this particular model, we have a cover to unclip first. We uncover that and we see where the J-hook would actually sit and actually the locking tab in which it would lock into. Finally, we'll insert the new wiper blade into the J-hook wiper arm and push upward away from the Mopar until we hear the locking tab click. Let's go ahead and do this on the other side as well. Insert the new wiper blade into the J-hook wiper arm and push upward away from Mopar until the lock tab clicks again. After that, let's test this baby out. Let's wiggle the wiper blade, move it up and down, and make sure that it's locked into place. After that, lower the wiper blades into the windshield, and then we are done. So for today, we used the Bosch Clear Advantage beam style wiper blade. Our OEM wiper blades on my Challenger are the frame style, so I wanted to try a beam style one out and see how that goes. What style of wiper blades do you guys use? It's been said that the OEM wiper blades hug the windshield better because of the frame pressing on multiple sections of the windshield. Let's see how the beam style ones perform. Also, we will be keeping the OEM style wiper blades because supposedly we keep the frame and just replace the wiper blade. I like to look into that and see if we could just order the rubber blade and then insert that back in and give it a go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Please hit the subscribe button, really appreciate it. Hit the ding-a-ling for notifications and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.